Hey guys, Junior again from AutoCraze. Our Orange Ranger, the thing is complete. I've got the man Andrew here, owner. How you feeling, brother?
Feeling great, man. Looks awesome. Looks really unbelievable. Just can't believe it. Just blown away. Absolutely blown away by the look. The guys here have done an absolutely unbelievable job. Just can't believe it. Just lost for words. You know? Amazing, amazing. But yeah.
This man usually isn't lost for words. He's full of words.
That's true. That's true. That's true. Really, yeah. Look, amazing. The guys here, awesome. If you've got any needs for tuning accessories for your Ranger, for anything, like come down. These guys will sort you out. I'm serious. It looks amazing. Thanks, Junior. Appreciate it.